Hey folks, in this very short video, I'm going to be giving you a very simple and clear explanation as to what online sales funnels are, how they work, and how they're used to make money online. I've been in the online business world for a very long time, and I make money online specifically through a thing called affiliate marketing. And these are some of my income reports. I will provide a link to my website underneath this video that'll take you to this page and this one right here. It's called Helping Hand Affiliate, and it teaches people affiliate marketing. But I've been making money online through this world for many years and through different kinds of sales funnels that I've made. And here's the very simple way to understand what online sales funnels are. Think of a point A and a point B. A point A is whenever people come to my website or a YouTube video, whatever the case is, and the point B is when they buy something that I'm selling on that website or on that YouTube video or whatever it is. So let's say, for example, that I have this camera in my hands and I'm trying to sell this camera. I set up a landing page, which is a website that promotes it. I talk about how awesome it is. It's a review page. However I get people to that review page, that's where the sales funnel begins. That's point A. And however I tried to get them to buy it and actually click through the link to actually buy it, and once they buy it, that's point B. That's the end of the sales funnel. And that's basically in a nutshell how it works. So for example, if I were applying sales funnels to YouTube videos, I create a YouTube video selling this camera. However, people find that YouTube video, whether it be through YouTube ads or organically by typing in the name of this camera and the word review. Once they find my video or once they see my ad, that's where the sales funnel begins. And then they watch the video, and then I sell to them the camera in the description of the YouTube video. Once they buy it, that's the end of the sales funnel. Now, if you've ever wondered why an online sales funnel or a funnel in general is actually shaped like a funnel, which is like this, the answer is that everyone who watches your video or comes to your website, most of them won't buy the product that you're selling or service or whatever it is that you're offering. And that's just a normal thing in this world. Let's say, for example, that I'm, again, using this camera as a sample. 1,000 people come to my website that are interested in this camera. And out of those 1,000 people that come to my website, only 10 people buy it. My sales funnel is going to have a 1% conversion rate. In other words, only 1% of the people that come to my website actually buy this camera. And 1% is not really a good conversion rate, and I can improve that. So this is where we talk about optimizing sales funnels. And I'm not going to get into too many details about that because I don't want to confuse you, but in a nutshell, I would probably say that if I created a better review of this and maybe targeted a better audience that is more likely to buy it, I would get a more likely audience to get that camera. So again, if I optimized my sales funnel and 1,000 targeted visitors that are interested in that camera came to my website, I could maybe increase that 1% conversion rate to 5%. In other words, 50 people buy it, or to 10%, in which case 100 people buy it. And the more people that buy whatever it is that I'm selling, the better my sales funnel works. And that's where we talk about, how to make great looking sales funnels that convert really well, and that's where that subject comes into the picture. But that's in a nutshell the whole explanation of what online sales funnels are. And if you're interested to learn more, if you click on the link below this YouTube video, you're going to see 10 different sales funnels that can be used from these different things: collecting emails, one-page sites, webinars, YouTube ads, Pinterest, so on and so forth. Because I've used most of these to make money online, and this is something that's very important for you to understand and learn about. But the whole overarching thing that I talked about, which is the point A and the point B, that is the most important thing that you need to understand about online sales funnels. Then when you get into the nitty-gritty of using different methods to create sales funnels, that's where we get into these particular things that I was just showing you. But that pretty much summarizes all the things that I wanted to cover about sales funnels. And if you have any questions about them, you are more than welcome to leave those questions below this YouTube video, or if you're on my Helping Hand affiliate website like I'm showing you right now, you're more than welcome to ask me these questions and whatever else that you have interest in regarding affiliate marketing and online business in the comments section underneath all of my posts and content. With that said, thanks so much. I really hope that this was a very clear explanation for you about what online sales funnels are and examples of them, and hope you have a great one. Have a good one.